there was a big myth out there that the screw has to go down. That's not true. The screw on a Silberschnitt should always be upward. And I'll point out a reason again. The tip, a very narrow area here as compared to the top. So when you do come off the glass pushing, you have a less chance of breaking the glass with that. So again, you hold this in the grip of your hand, and you could also push the back. And we got tremendous control here. And you can feel it. It's going into the glass really well. You see, you go off, you're not going to hit the glass. As compared, you go off, you're going to smack this onto the edge of the glass.